Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, piping hot, we're going to make a beautiful vegetable stew with tomatoes. We've got some lovely little flavours in there: garlic, thyme, a little bit of chili, oregano. You can use any mixture of vegetables you want. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients that we've got here. So at the back, eggplant, potatoes, pumpkin. Middle row here, I've got onions, carrots, bell peppers, green, you could be using a mixed colour if you want, and some zucchini. Down the front here, we've got some garlic. In there, I've got thyme, dried chili flakes or chili powder, and some oregano. I'm going to also add 1 can of tinned tomatoes to this. We're going to add some salt, pepper, start us off with a touch of oil. It's delicious. So could not be simpler. We've got here some oil. I'm using some olive oil. Heat is on. We're going to start off by dropping in our onions, our garlic, and then you just need to start adding your hardest vegetables first, basically. So for us, that's going to be the carrots, the potatoes, and our pumpkin. Now you of course could be using any other vegetables you want. Some mushrooms in here, celery, anything you like really goes. Okay, so on a medium heat, let that go now for about 4 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, about 4 minutes. They're on their way, still quite hard, everything. I'm now going to add in my eggplant. I'm going to add some salt. Black pepper. And then those spices, let's just take a look one more time. So we've got thyme, oregano and chili flakes, that's what I'm using here. If you don't have chili flakes, like I say, cayenne pepper or chili powder will work just as well. Staying on this medium heat, we're going to go for another 5 minutes. Again, give it a stir every now and then. Okay, it's coming on really nicely. So I'm now going to add in 1 glass of water and tomatoes, canned tomatoes, which I've just chopped roughly. Now that is a large can, so that's the equivalent of 2 regular 400 cans. What we're going to do now is let this go on the same medium heat for about 6 minutes. This is very, very simple. We've still got 2 vegetables to go. We've got zucchini and some peppers to go. We're going to get them in just a bit later. Let's get all of our lovely root vegetables on the way first. See you in a few minutes. This is coming along really, really nicely. So simple. Okay, let's get in those bell peppers. I'm just using green. You could be using a different colour if you want. And our zucchini, which I've cut into rounds. You could cut it into sticks if you want. Let's get that in there. And again, staying on this medium heat. This time I'm going to go for about another 5 minutes with a lid on. Stick the lid on it, 5 minutes, and we should be done. What we're looking for is our hardest vegetables to be tender, so our potatoes and carrots to be cooked, in my case. And we're pretty much done. See you in about 5 minutes. Right, let's jump in and take a look. Get some steam out of here. That is looking fabulous. Really, really delicious. Those vegetables are cooked just how I like them. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. I'm going to just end this off with some fresh chopped flat leaf parsley. And there we go. We've got a really lovely vegetable stew here. Vegetarian, healthy and vegan. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?